3.5 million subscribers, $47,000 last month. This is faceless YouTube automation. Let me show you how it works.
8 categories, $4.7 billion in annual revenue. The faceless YouTube universe isn't overcrowded yet. Choose your planet.
Search demand times CPM times AI producibility divided by competition. One formula, zero guessing. AI Tools scores 94.7. Start there. Headline, banner, key elements, monetization. Get it right the first time. Every video you upload goes into the system. Build the architecture first. 12 videos a day, 23 minutes each. No human intervention. Cost per video, 34 cents. Total revenue per video, $47. 4.2% versus 11.8% CTR. Same videos, $7,647 difference. Thumbnails decide revenue. The algorithm isn't particularly mysterious. It has 12 input parameters. 4 of them control 85% of your distribution. Optimize these 4 parameters: 74% voice retention plus 90% visuals, Corchus, faceless channels beating pro hosts. Same video, perfect timing, 47K views. Bad timing, 8,891. Automate your schedule. Same views, 4,317 to $75,569. 4 revenue layers changed everything. 4 metadata layers. 17 search paths. Videos rank before the first view. 15 minutes weekly. 4 metrics. 3 AI actions. Analytics become decisions. 1 channel starts it. 10 channels scale it. $247K monthly by month 13. 12 tools. 1 hub. 0 human steps between trend detection and published video. Make.com is the nervous system. Everything else obeys it. Day 21. 1,000 subscribers. No face, no name, just a system creating content that people choose to follow.
Faceless channels attract deals with premium brands. Precise audience targeting outperforms reach based on personal characteristics. Automated interaction.
Most automated channels die from compliance failures. Copyright, FTC, terms of service, tax, 4 domains. Build the protection before every scale, never after. Automatic monitoring of 6 competitors. 3 signals are extracted weekly. Each signal is fed directly into your content management system. 3 levers, switching to a new CPM, negotiating rates, adjusting the speed. The combined effect, 10,147 more per month. Declining metrics are not death, they are diagnostic signals. 4 causes, 4 interventions, 14 days. Channel restored above its original baseline, every time. 16 months, $631,947. 2.5 hours a week by the 7th month. Faceless. Automated. 12 countries. 12 newbies, 0 total online income. Total monthly income, $129,827. 6 objections, 6 documented refutations. Every barrier you feel right now has been defeated by someone with fewer advantages than you. The evidence is in this frame. 10 free resources, pinned comment, right now, no email, no payment, subscribe for what comes next. Your faceless channel starts today, not tomorrow, today. Every tool that builds your faceless channel, every link, free, right now in the pinned comment below. 1 tap, everything you need. Go get it. You have the system, the tools, the proof, the roadmap. 1 word remains: begin.